get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time.
Hey guys, this is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. Want to bring you guys this beautiful, awesome, black 1996 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 Harley Davidson edition. There's 40 of these made that were licensed by Harley Davidson. This one is super rare and super clean. This has the embroidered Harley Davidson right on the seat. This also does have an upgraded Hearse shifter. This is the WS6 package, which is again rare for 1996. Has your upgraded rims, upgraded ram air intake. It's got all the good stuff. This is a T-top car. It is absolutely beautiful. It really is. The black shines and looks so good on this one. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned.
I'm a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Every minute with the fever dreams, I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me.
Alright guys, 1996 Trans Am WS6 Harley Davidson edition. What's awesome about this is super rare. We have done a lot of research with it. There's been 40 made that were authorized by Harley Davidson. This is one of them. This one's got your 5.7 liter LT1. All the windows do work on this. They're not tinted. This one does have T-tops. Horn works. Wipers work. All the lights do work, operate as they should. AC does work. Blows nice and cold. This one does have an upgraded burst shifter here. Runs out very well. 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission, shifts nice. Got some trick flow exhaust, so we've got a nice little sound to it. All the gauges do work, operate as they should. Nice and good, no pulsation or steer with it. T-tops are in great condition on this one as well. One thing you can just tell, dash is not cracked, very good shape. Mirror does not have its sun bleed that they normally do.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my